Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Kia Sorento, and this is the first ever mobility wheelchair accessible SUV we've had on the lot. So something new to us. We've learned about these things. They seem to be a great fit for certain families. So let's get right to the conversion. This is a brand new Freedom Motors rear entry conversion. Very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. To open the trunk latch in the rear, maybe. Let's make sure I have it unlocked. I thought I did. There we go. Got to be smarter than the key fob. Okay, get it unlocked. Pops up, very easy to operate. It's got a handle on either side. Very easy to do. And look here, I can do this with one finger. Take this to the ground. It's spring assisted. Very easy to operate. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps. The ramp is 30 inches wide. The entry height is 52 inches wide. Inside the SUV is 53 inches wide. You can see there's two tie down points in the rear and there's two up front. So you put the chair right here in the middle. The legs would probably go between those seats, the passenger's legs if they had room. It's about 19 inches of room between those seats. So it's not really designed for the chair to go all the way between those seats. It's designed more for the legs or the feet to sit between those seats, and the bottom was here just behind the seats. The ramp itself is about 76 inches deep. So when you've got all your passengers secured, well, let me show you the headliner in here. Headliner looks great. Got the rear air vents to keep your passengers back here nice and cool. Everything in this Kia looks just about brand new. It's very clean inside and out. We only buy top of the line, high quality stuff. You can see the dash there is very clean. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. It's got the backup camera, another great safety feature. It's got the seat heaters, which you probably won't need anytime soon, but those are very nice to have in case you need that. Airbags up front. All the goodies. So, as you've got all your passengers secure, come back out, reverse the process again. Here, look, one finger. Put this ramp up. Very easy to operate. Very little to go wrong. So much more cost effective, not only on the original purchase, but also down the road in maintenance over an electric ramp and door. So if you can get by with one of these, I absolutely recommend it. It is a beautiful silver color. It's got the alloy wheels on it. These are original hand-cooked tires on it. Certainly not brand new, but have probably about 26,000 miles on them. So if they're good quality hand-cooked 80,000 mile tire, they've got a lot of life left on them. I can hardly find a dent or a scratch in this thing. We are very selective in the vehicles we purchase. We don't buy things that have been in accidents. We don't buy, vehicles that have been salvaged or rebuilt. I don't mess with that stuff. I want good quality vehicles that we can put on the road, that we can be proud of, that our customers can be confident in, and then in return we get a lot of repeat business that way. So we don't try and scrape here and there just to make an extra $500 or $1,000. We try to do it the right way. We try to buy good vehicles. Also has tinted windows in the rear, give you a little bit of privacy, keep your passengers in the rear nice and cool. You can see the middle seats here. Carpets are all very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke in this SUV. No signs of any unusual odors. There's the VIN number in case you need to see that for anything. Very clean carpets, power driver's seat. The SUV does come with two key fobs, as you can see here. Also has the electric start, which is a very nice feature to have. It's really hot, in the summertime. You can have the AC pumping by the time you get out from the grocery store or your doctor's appointment or wherever you're going. It'll be nice and cool for us, which, trust me, on a very warm day today, I can certainly appreciate that. Current miles, 27,323 miles. The conversion on these is warranted from Freedom Motors. The Kia actually puts a 5-year, 60,000 mile conversion on these bumper to bumper. That's a lot longer than the minivans we sell. Minivans are 3 years, 36,000 miles bumper to bumper. This is a 5-year, 60,000 miles. How cool is that? Then a 5-year or a 10-year 100,000 mile warranty on the drivetrain. So these Kias have a really good warranty on them. It's why they're one of the fastest growing car companies in the United States. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to Under the Hood I'm not sure if I showed you the passenger seat though, just like the rest of it, very clean. Let's pop the hood. Underneath the hood, this has the little 4-cylinder. It's nice and clean. Idles smoothly, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage, no signs of any rust. And you say to yourself, well, I don't want a little 4-cylinder, those things don't get up and go. Yeah, wait till I get this thing on the highway. These things will get up and go just fine. See the drip, that's the air conditioner right there, that's all that is. Very humid out today. Welcome to Kansas. Very clean underneath. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any rust, no signs of any damage. You know, no matter who you buy from, if you're buying sight unseen, make sure they crawl underneath. Make sure they show you what's going on underneath the vehicle. That's just as important as the body and the engine and transmission. If it's all rusted out, or if it's only a couple years old and it's already got a bunch of rust underneath it, you don't want it. It's going to be a bunch of problems down the road. And that's why we buy from a company with a good reputation. Buy from a company that'll put in the extra work, crawl into the vehicle on a 90-degree day and show you what's going on. Buy from a company with a good reputation like Affordable Mobility. We've been in business almost 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have over 500 reviews on eBay. All positive feedback, 0 negative feedback. And before we get the vehicle on the highway, we've had this inspected by our ASE certified mechanics. All the power mirrors, power windows, AC, heated seats. We've tested this thing over, and it's all under the factory warranty specs in case there are any issues. I wanted to show you this thing has been inspected. So let's get it on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive. I want to get them out on the highway. Get them out on the highway, let you hear the engine run, transmission shift. This little 4-cylinder gets up to 70 miles an hour, no problems whatsoever. It's certainly not a hot rod, but you're definitely going to notice a difference at the pump over buying a 6-cylinder minivan, or one of these even a 6-cylinder. And you can get up in the mid to high 20s on fuel mileage on these things if you drive them right. So you're going to save a lot of money at the pump if you buy one of these 4-cylinders. What I'll do is I'll take the next exit, I'll give it a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can see there's no unusual brake noise or grinding or anything like that in the brakes. Got the cruise control set here about 65 miles an hour. I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vehicles, SUVs and vans. Ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have free shipping anywhere in the country? Because we do. Do they have over 500 positive reviews on eBay and 0 negative reviews? Because we do. Do they have any administrative fees or document fees they try to hide and slip in on the back end? Because we don't. That's not how we do business. When it comes to price, service, reputation, no one can compete with Affordable Mobility Solutions. So I'm going to give it a hard brake here. I showed you the steering wheel. It wasn't bouncing back and forth. No grinding, no squeaking. Although this vehicle is not a brand new vehicle, it's sure not far from it. Like, you really can't find anything wrong with it whatsoever. Brand new conversion. Really nothing to worry about. Meets all the specs to be covered by warranty. Top to bottom, front to back, head to toe. So overall, if it's taken care of, this should make an excellent vehicle for many years to come for you or your family, or for whatever reason you're going to use it for. And always, if you want to come check out one of our vehicles, please give us a call first. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. Give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Always check us out 24 hours a day at mobility316.com. That's www.mobility316.com. And if you're not sure you want to invest this kind of money without seeing the vehicle first, call us.